Okay, so I'm not some YouTuber or कुछ भी. I just need to get it out of my system, you know. तो मैं 1 साल से अपनी होम टाउन में हूँ, जो which is a small town in India, and I've heard stuff, I've seen stuff, which you know boils my blood. मेरा खून खोलता है यार, मतलब especially इस वीडियो का जो टाइटल है चाइल्ड मैरिजेस. वेल आई एम टॉकिंग गर्ल्स एज यंग एज 30. तो ये लोग जो बोलते हैं ना कि वॉज ऑल इन द पास्ट, इट इज़ नॉट वेरी ट्रू. इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू एट ऑल. क्योंकि एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं राजस्थान से भी नहीं हूँ. आई एम from a rather developed state, which comes in one of the developed states, and it's still the same. So in fact it is same everywhere. It is same in all over the India. And the way it is normalized, like highly normalized in the rural part, is very concerning. ठीक है ना. मतलब a girl getting married at 15, it's हाँ ठीक है, शादी की ही उम्र है. It is as normalized as that. और it is even worse in villages. तो मैंने personally, I have seen a girl, I mean I have heard, and never went to her marriage, and I mean never attend those marriages, those weddings, as young as 13 get married. Because, and you know what was the reason? Because she had 5 sisters. So as soon as she got her period, her parents were like, तुम्हारी बारी आ गई है, let's get her married. It's 2025, but it has increased since lockdown, since COVID. And I have a very legit theory for that because I again saw it happening. तो कोविड में जब एवरीथिंग वॉज क्लोज, राइट, बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट अलाउड कि बहुत सारे लोग एक जगह पर जमे, तो शादियाँ तो बहुत दूर की बात है ना. तो इसीलिए ना many women or girls rather were pulled out of their education. Half of those girls from their class didn't come back क्योंकि उनकी शादी हो गई थी लॉकडाउन में रातों रात. एंड इट बिकेम एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि कम पैसे लग रहे हैं बिकॉज कोई ऐसे धूमधाम की शादी कर ही नहीं सकती, इसीलिए जल्दी जल्दी निपटा देने की अपॉर्चुनिटी उन्हें वहाँ पे मिल गए. एंड नाउ दिस पैटर्न रिपीट्स लेटर, जो मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ, जब गवर्नमेंट का रूल आ जाता है. इनफैक्ट डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस की अगर बात करें, बिकॉज इफ अ चाइल्ड इज़ गेटिंग मैरिड, इफ इट्स अ चाइल्ड मैरिज, ऑब्वियसली जब उनके साथ डोमेस्टिक अब्यूज़ होगा, यू आर अब्यूजिंग अ चाइल्ड, यू आर अब्यूजिंग अ वुमन हु इज़ merely a woman. एंड दैट्स whole another part जिसके लिए मुझे whole another video लगेगा, because I've seen so many worst cases out there that I just have sympathy, and I just have empathy, and I have so much of anger for the abusers, like so yeah, what I wanted to say that कि yeah, this is a very present topic. This was not in the past at all. At how do they normalize or justify child marriages even now? तो क्या होता है ना, मेरी हाउस हेल्प जो है, हमारी मौसी, she works at a gynecologist's home as well. She comes at our house this morning after her shift at the gynecologist's one. She tells my mother that a girl who was in 8th or 9th class, I'm assuming she might be 14 or 15, came and found out that she was 7 months pregnant. But both mother and daughter, they come in and they are shocked as well. The girl herself is shocked as well, and the doctor is shocked as well. Well, gynecologist in the small towns are very judgmental, so it's a scandalous place altogether. The fact that it comes out of her clinic from her mouth as well, because our house helps works in her house, not in her clinic, so that itself is a very big red flag. But it happens. और फिर वो कहती है कि यार वो जो भी है बच्ची 14-15 साल की जो प्रेग्नेंट है, तो द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज वॉट वेयर द फॉल्ट लाइज, जो मेरे हाउस हेल्प का है. शी सेज कि इसीलिए ना दीदी मैं तो बोलती हूँ कि इन लड़कियों की जल्द से जल्द शादी हो जानी चाहिए. आई मीन दे वुडंट कंसीडर इवन द फैक्ट of she being groomed, a fact that she herself wasn't aware कि इस तरीके से pregnant होते हैं or whatsoever. It's just, or how old was the guy, or who is the father who did all this. It is very, I mean it's a rape. It's a rape of a minor because she cannot give consent. तो वो वाला फैक्टर नहीं है उसका. सीधा अटैक वॉज इसलिए शादी जल्द से जल्द हो जानी चाहिए. एंड if we look into the broader spectrum, शायद सबका ख्याल वही है, because people leave for their farms, जो खेतों में काम करने चले जाते हैं, उनको अपने घर पे बच्चे अकेले रहने पड़ते हैं, they are scared, and that's why the only thing they can think of for their safety is getting her married. That is the only solution, and it's so messed up. Like, that's how they are justifying a child marriage कि ठीक है, this is what they are worth, ये उसी के लायक है, क्योंकि नहीं तो ये ऐसे काम कर रही है. And I was just too stunned to speak कि उस टाइम पे मैं कुछ बोल पाती या बोल भी नहीं पाती. यार अब गलत हो, अब सही हो, मतलब मैं कुछ ही नहीं बोल पाई. It was just very weird for me. It was a newspaper as well, तो ये credible था, ये कोई, it's not another piece of gossip. I'm not here to gossip. तो a school teacher, a village school teacher who is a government teacher, gets pregnant, a 8th standard, like a 14-year-old, and she was blamed there again. Like, a teacher who might be in his 40s because he is a government permanent teacher, एक 14 साल की बच्ची को groom कर रहा है, तो it is rape. Though it's consensual, it's rape because she doesn't understand the shit about it. I'm very sad, you know, and angry at the same time कि यार ये हो कैसे सकता है, बट ये होता है. मतलब the only sole reason, again one reason that मैं ये वीडियो बनाना चाहती थी, because back in my college when we were having this discussion class like 2 years ago, the topic was brought up और मैं बोलती हूँ कि यार child marriages are still pretty much common. I saw the faces of the people who mostly lived all their life in the cities. They were like, what how can it happen? It's not true. And I was like, no, wait, it is very much true. It is very, very much true. When we talk about on the platforms that, yeah, it's her choice, it's her this, and we don't know you need feminism, and being a homemaker is also a choice. It is not for majority of women out there. क्योंकि they are stuck in abusive marriages, and I have seen it. And though they are even, you know, told कि open up, they don't, because the society, the structure is built upon shame. If a woman goes through something, she has to bear it. That's like the only thing acceptable about anything. Even if she dies, it's like बुरा हुआ, and they move on. They don't really care. If we talk about government taking any steps कि इसको कम करने में, they are because our district was rated one of the most with child marriages. Our new collector madam decided that let's do something about it, and she started something that she just made it very strict rules कि अगर 18 के नीचे bride है, वो entail उनके पास आ जाता है, तो on the spot, on the wedding venue, लड़की के या नहीं तो लड़के के या दोनों के, I'm not sure, parents को they will arrest. ठीक है, तो अभी इससे तो डर फैलना चाहिए, इससे तो कम होना चाहिए. मैंने जब पहली बार सुना तो मैं तो बहुत खुश हो गई थी, वाओ, अब देखो, अब करो चाइल्ड मैरिजेस. आई वॉज लाइक दैट. देन आई हियर कि yes, they have actually arrested the people. That's why there is no fear mongering. Instead, our Indian people, उन्होंने एक golden opportunity ढूंढ ली है कि चुपचाप शादी करते हैं. Let them get married in secrecy. इससे शादी के खर्चे बस हो जाएंगे. So the people who were not even planning to have their daughter married because they didn't have finances for it for another 2-3 years, they decided कि नहीं, अभी रिश्ता ढूंढना है और अभी शादी करनी है, क्योंकि उनको बोल पाएंगे हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ये लॉ है तो हमें शादी चुपके से करनी पड़ेगी, घर पे मंदिर में वगैरह करनी पड़ेगी, धूमधाम से शादी नहीं हो पाएगी. And more people started getting married. And now there's another dimension to it. आप इससे पहले मुझे बोलोगे कि अगर मुझे इतनी सारी इंटेल ऑलरेडी पता थी, why did I never try to tell to the authorities? Because, you know, मतलब starting में I used to feel the same. Whenever I used to know about something, I used to see कि मैं अभी पुलिस को कॉल कर रही हूँ. But then I realized something, ठीक है ना. Take an instance, a girl is getting married, she's 17, she's 15, doesn't matter, she's underage, she's a minor, और उनके पेरेंट्स को उठा के लेके जाते हैं. नाउ दैट डजंट एंड हियर कि यार अच्छा हो गया, मैंने तो अच्छा काम किया है, शादी रुक गई. नहीं रुकी है शादी, क्योंकि इवन आफ्टर गेटिंग अरेस्टेड there are only 2 options left that will happen with the bride. One, she'll still get married, maybe in another district, maybe in secrecy, or whatever they decide. Or second, which is the worst of them all, she will be shamed. She will be shamed for her entire life. And this is not some Bollywood movie. I still see it happening. Women don't speak up when they are abused because they are so afraid of getting shamed. That abuse is better than the shame. Abuse is better than the society. We have created such a society कि women को, बच्चों को, लड़कियों को एक abuser अच्छा लगता है society के shame से. So let that sink in for a minute. And I think for now this was it. Let me know if I missed anything or you have similar experiences, and we can actually be each other's medium to let it all out. And I would like to say to the girls watching these videos, study hard, study hard. That is the only way out for us. I hope we be the generation जो ये सब चीज़ें normalize ना करे और actually हमारे देश को, इंडिया को, भारत को एक better देश बना सके in the form of society. So yeah.